How to fix incorrect password error on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are facing the issue of incorrect password on Instagram, first and foremost make sure there are no typos on Instagram password. As it is case sensitive, make sure to check that double time as well. Now that this is done and it is still not fixing the error, you might have to reset the password. In that case, the process is simple. Head over to your login page and tap on Forgotten Password. After you tap on the link, you will land to another page. First of all, you'll have to find your account. In order to do so, you can use mobile number or the email address or the username that you use for your account. Based on this detail, it will find your account and you can tap on continue. On this next page, you are supposed to provide your password that you are going to use. Once that is done, tap on continue. Now, a verification will be sent to your device either on your email address, WhatsApp, or SMS. Make sure to verify the details, and once that is done, your new password is set up. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.